For millions of households across India, LPG is not just a fuel. It is an essential part of everyday life. From cooking breakfast to preparing dinner, it plays a central role in daily routines. So whenever LPG prices rise, it directly affects the household budget of common people. And that is exactly what has happened today. From March 7th, the prices of both domestic and commercial LPG cylinders have been increased across the country. Government oil companies have announced a 60 rupees increase in the price of the 14.2 kilogram domestic LPG cylinder. At the same time, the 19 kilogram commercial LPG cylinder used by hotels and businesses has become 115 rupees more expensive. This price hike is expected to impact not only households but also restaurants, hotels, dhabas and small businesses that depend heavily on LPG for their daily operations. Let's look at the new domestic LPG cylinder prices in major cities. If we talk about Delhi, the price of the 14.2 kilogram cylinder has increased from 853 rupees to around 913 rupees. In Mumbai, the price has gone up from 852.50 rupees to 912.50 rupees. In Kolkata, the cylinder price has increased from 879 rupees to nearly 939 rupees. And in Chennai, it has risen from 868.50 rupees to 928.50 rupees. These new prices have come into effect across the country from Saturday. The increase is even more significant for commercial LPG cylinders, which are widely used in the food industry. In Delhi, the price of a 19 kg commercial cylinder has increased from 1,768.50 rupees to around 1,883 rupees. In Mumbai, it has gone up from 1,720 to 1,835. In Kolkata, the price has increased from 1,875.50 rupees to nearly 1,990 rupees. And in Chennai, the price has also seen a major rise. Because of this increase, many experts believe that food prices at restaurants and hotels may also rise in the coming days, as businesses try to manage their increasing operating costs. It is important to note that the last change in domestic LPG prices happened in April 2025. At that time, the non-subsidized domestic LPG cylinder in Delhi was priced at 853 rupees. After that, there was no major price revision for nearly 1 year. But with this latest revision, both household consumers and businesses they rely on LPG will now have to bear higher costs. However, the government has tried to reassure citizens. Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has clarified that there is no shortage of energy supply in India. In a post on the social media platform X, he stated that India has adequate energy availability and consumers do not need to panic. He also said that the government's priority is to provide affordable and sustainable fuel to citizens, and work in this direction is continuing. Meanwhile, Indian Oil Corporation has also rejected rumors about petrol and diesel price hikes. The company said that India currently has a sufficient fuel stock and the supply and distribution system is functioning normally. Officials have also urged people not to believe rumors and avoid unnecessary rush at petrol pumps. In recent days, discussions about energy supply have increased due to rising tensions in West Asia, one of the major concerns in the Strait of Hormuz, through which a large portion of the world's crude oil passes. Any disruption in this route can affect the global energy market. But according to government sources, India's situation remains stable and strong for now. Officials say that India currently has adequate reserves of crude oil, petroleum products and LPG. Over the past few years, India has also diversified its crude oil import sources, reducing dependency on a single region. One important factor is this strategy has been the increase in crude oil imports from Russia. In 2022, Russia accounted for only 0.2% for India's crude oil imports. But the share has increased rapidly. According to government data in February this year, India imported about 20% of its crude oil, around 1.4 million barrels per day from Russia. The government has also taken several steps to ensure adequate LPG availability. All oil refineries has been instructed to increase LPG production so that supply across the country remains stable. Officials say that current LPG stock levels in India are satisfactory. India has also increased LPG imports from the United States. Public sector oil companies signed a one-year agreement in November 25 to import about 2.2 million tons of LPG from the US Gulf Coast during 2026. Supplies under this agreement have already started arriving from January. The government has also issued special instruction under the Essential Commodities Act 1955. Under these directions, refineries have been asked to maximize the use of propane and butane gases for LPG production. LPG is essential, a mixture of propane and butane, which is widely used in India as cooking gas. Refineries have also been instructed to supply LPG only to the three major public sector oil marketing companies: Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum. Additionally, refineries have been told not to divert propane and butane for petrochemical production so that LPG supply remains sufficient. To sum it up, this LPG price hike comes at a time when global energy markets are facing uncertainty. While the government says India has adequate energy reserves and strong supply systems, the immediate reality is that households and small businesses will have to adjust their budgets. For now, the new LPG prices will certainly add some extra burden on consumers, especially for families and businesses that depend on cooking gas every day.